Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I will introduce our members. The first one is Siti Nurwahida Kasman. Next, Gabriel Rahel Safrawa. And Alia Putri Muhammad Faisal Rizky Aldi. And the last, Anwar Salim Morni. So, I will explain about the lesson plan. Share screen. Dang. So, the subject today is about English, and the student, which is class 8 or junior high school, and the topic about procedure text. So the goal, students know how to write a procedure text correctly. Objectives, terminal objectives. Students will be able to write a procedure text independently. Enable objectives, identify and define the characteristic of procedure text. Analyze and identify the structure and the key features of procedure text. Create a step-by-step procedure text using appropriate vocabulary and clear instruction. Materials and equipment. The first, whiteboard, markers, procedure text examples printed or displayed on a projector, paper for students, and timer or stopwatch. Procedures. The first teacher activity is greeting. Teacher knows the student ready to learn. And checking attendance. Teacher knows the students who are present, absent, and sick or have permission. And introduction. Telling the students about the concept of procedure text and what they are going to do. This step will be take about 10 minutes. Teacher will show a video on how to make a milk tea. Student can analyze the comprehend procedure text. Ask students to identify and feature and structure of a procedure text in the video. Students can make procedure text secondly and correctly. With the teacher's guidance and direction, students are questioning and difficult words on and the text structure of the procedure. Students can learn new vocabulary. This step will take about 8 until 10 minutes. Next, ask students if they know any of the drawing recipes. Students will choose one of the drawing recipes to be written into a procedure text. Students can make procedural text correctly and independently. Giving assignments to students by making test procedure according to the stage in the video. Students can do the task according to the structure of the procedure text correctly. This step will take about 20 till 25 minutes. And teacher collecting the paper or book. Teacher read the procedure text. Students can find the principal idea, generic structure, and detailed information or specific information in the procedure text given by teachers. Provide feedback on the student work if something is not correct. Students can understand the procedure text correctly. This step will take about 25 minutes. And the last procedure, the teacher ending the lesson. Teachers make conclusion about what they have done. Teachers and students make a resume about what they have been studied. The teachers conveys information about the topic for the next lesson. Teachers explain what the next topic will be studied. Greetings and close the meeting. Teachers knows that students pay attention that the meeting was closed. This step will take about 5 till 10 minutes. And assessment. As the title buff, students write down the step for making a drink in the procedure text in detail and precisely.
Alright. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Before we start the class, please pray. First, we must pray. Pray together.
Amin.
Okay. Next is I will ask you guys who missing this class today.
No one means
Anyone? No one's okay. All right. So today we will learn about procedure text. What is procedure text?
me, ma'am. So, procedure text is text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals, such as how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, and the fax. Next, the language feature of procedure text. They are use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, the last. Next, use command or imperative sentence like put the noodles on the blah blah blah, cut the onion, wash the tomatoes, and using adverbials or adverb to express detail the time, place, manner, accurate, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. Next, using action verbs like make, take, boil, cook. And the last one is using simple present tense. This is the example of procedure text, which is how to make cup of coffee. Materials and ingredients: 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of coffee powder, hot water, a cup, a spoon. Procedure: 1. Prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup, hot water, 1 spoon of cup powder. 2. Put 1 spoon of coffee powder into the cup. 3. Pour some hot water into the cup. 4. Add 2 spoons of sugar into a cup of coffee. 5. Stir it well, and the hot coffee is ready to drink.
Okay, that is the example of procedure text. So I will give you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will practice my procedure text. Hello everyone, I'm Javanda Ziadristi from 9H and today I will make milk tea. Yes, you heard that right, milk tea. Milk and tea. So without further ado, let's get right in. So this is the ingredients that you need: hot water, tea bags, milk and sugar. For the materials is only a spoon and a mug. First, prepare hot water. Second, put the tea bags in the mug. Then pour hot water to mug. And then move tea bags around in the water to make water darker. And then pour a spoon of sugar into mug. After that, add milk. Next, stir to perfection. So, I'm done. This is the milk tea. It's such a tasty beverage. It's so simple to make and you can try it at home. Actually, you can also add ice cube if you want. Alright then, thank you and see you next time.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So that was the video about making the milk tea. So guys, you already know the feature of the procedure text. Now I will give you assignment to make a procedure text by using the chosen topic on the table. So I will give you 20 minutes to do it, and the chairman will provide the Google Drive link to submit your assignment.
The last is conclusion. Procedure texts are a valuable form of written communication that provide clear instruction on how to perform a specific task. They offer several advantages. The first is clarity. Clarity is procedure text used straightforward language and a step-by-step structure to ensure clear understanding of the text or process being described. Second is consistency. Consistency is they provide a consistent framework for carrying out a task, which help maintain uniformity in its execution. Third is reproducibility. Reproducibility is the procedure text enable others to replicate a task or process. 4 is efficiency. Efficiency is by breaking down complex tasks into similar manageability steps. Procedure text promote efficiency by eliminating confusion and reducing errors. 5th is standardization. Standardization is procedure text often serve as guidelines or standard operating procedure or SOPs in various fields, helping maintain quality and safety standard. 6 is training and learning. Training and learning is procedure texts are useful for training purposes, allowing individuals to learn new tasks or process independently and their own pace. 7 is troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is procedure text can include troubleshooting tips or solutions to common problems, helping individuals overcome difficulties and minimize downtime. And the last is documentation. Documentation is procedure text serve as documentation, ensuring knowledge and best practice are preserved and can be referred to in the future. In the conclusion, procedure texts are valuable tools for providing clear instruction, promoting consistency, enhancing efficiency, and ensuring responsibility in various tasks and processes.
Okay, time is up. But before we close this meeting today, I would like to ask you guys about, do you enjoy this class today? And I would like to inform you guys about next week we will learn about recount text. So prepare yourself before next week. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.